Hi everyone, are you tired of feeling like you are throwing your money out of the car window? If so, you are not alone. I'm going to expose the top 4 driving habits that are silently draining your wallet. I will uncover the hidden costs behind this behavior. So stay clear of this costly habit and take control of your finances on the road. Buckle up because I'm going to put your savings on a fast lane. Follow me and watch this video till the end. Driving habit number 1, driving with air conditions at all time. There are people that their air conditions is depending on the locations and the area you are. Not using your air condition is bad, but use your air condition at all time when driving. It will drain fuel from your car and it will cost you money. Some drivers formed a habit of when the AC is on, they'll wind down the window down and the AC is wasting and it will cost you money. Even when the AC is exhausted, you are going to fill the gas, then it will cost you another money. When wind down your window, please turn off your AC. Then when you use your air conditioner for so long, wind down your window so that you receive fresh air. Turn off your AC for some time, then you can on it again to save the cost of your fuel, to avoid wasting your money on the road. Driving habit number 2, letting your car warm up for too long time. For this modern car, don't need to warm up for too long time before you switch off your engine. 30 seconds to 1 minute is okay by warming your car. If the car that you want to drive and there is no need of warming it for too long time, as you are going to use it on a road. But in the process of warming the car for so long time, it will drain the fuel and waste your money. And you are going to spend when you are going out and buy more fuel again. So no need of warming your car at all time. Warming the car that you are not driving, you are still wasting fuel. Some cars have been abandoned and they continue to warm the car like 1 hour, 2 hours every day. You are wasting your money. Driving habit number 3, accelerating and braking. There are many drivers that drive this habit. To some points, you accelerate and brake. You accelerate and brake. You accelerate and brake. It will cost you money. You are going to be wasting money on fuel. Accelerating and braking costs more wasting of fuel. Please avoid accelerating and braking, especially to automatic car. It doesn't help. Automatic car doesn't need all that accelerating and braking. If you are about to overtake, you can accelerate as fast as you can so that you overtake and pass the car that you want to overtake. After that, by accelerating and matching brake, it will cause fuel wasting. Listen, there are times you accelerate and there are times you don't need to accelerate too much. Depends on the car in your front or depends on the environment you are. Either there is a pothole or there is a bump. There's no need of throwing the gas pedal and mashing brake. It will cost you money. Avoid it. Driving habit number 4, not signaling or not traffic gating. Not signaling will allow other drivers to get angry. It also leads to traffic jam on a highway if you are not signaling and you just enter the lane. it will allow traffic jam and it will cause accidents. If it causes accident, it will cost you money and waste your own time. So always signal when changing lane. And if there is police officer on the road and you are not signaling and you change lane, it will cost you and they will charge you and fine you. So always signal to the car behind you or the car on the road with you, so that when you are about to change lane, you want to turn or you want to stop, always signal to the car behind you. If you do not signal and you change lane, you may cause accidents on the highway. Please, always signaling before overtaking, before changing lane, to avoid spending unnecessary money on a road. Please avoid all these things I mentioned. You can't just be spending your money on the road and other drivers are saving their own money. Avoid all these things and be safe. Drive safe, stay safe. Remember, safety first. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share.